Cloud AI is powerful, but it is not really yours, so I built my own, from scratch, in a single day, and it runs entirely on my computer. Every time I use ChatGPT or Claude, my conversations are sent to someone else's server. I wanted something local, something private, and something free, so I built Jarvis. This is Jarvis. It is a native Windows application. I click the desktop icon and it opens. No terminal, no extra windows. The app starts everything itself. The sidebar tracks all of my conversations. The chat area streams responses in real time, and the status bar at the bottom shows that it is connected to my local AI model, and I can talk to it. Watch. It transcribes my voice locally using a model called Whisper. Then it sends the text to the AI and streams back a response, all running on my machine. I also wanted it to handle errors gracefully. Let me break it on purpose. See that. Instead of a scary error code, I get a clear explanation and a suggestion for how to fix it, plus a notification at the top of the window. When the backend comes back, the system reconnects automatically, and I can resume chatting immediately. And when I am done, just close the window. No leftover processes, no extra windows. Everything cleans up properly. The tech stack is straightforward. The backend is Python with FastAPI. It handles chat, voice, and file uploads. The front end is Svelte, a modern JavaScript framework, and Tauri wraps it all into a native Windows application using Rust. Around 1,000 lines of code in total. This is just beta 0.5. Coming up, production-ready features, a security layer for safe file access, persistent memory so Jarvis remembers you, tools so it can actually do things, not just talk, and eventually a public version for friends with a plug-in system so anyone can extend it. This is just the beginning. Jarvis is built on the Stanford Jarvis open-source framework with my own additions and customizations on top. The project will be public soon. Follow along as I build it out. Memory, security, tools, and a version safe to share with others. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.